Small dogs may be tiny, but their care is just as important as larger breeds. Start with nutrition. Smaller breeds have faster metabolisms. Feed them high-quality food with protein as the first ingredient. Avoid human snacks and sugary treats. Water is vital. Small dogs can dehydrate quickly. Change water frequently and ensure it's always fresh. Exercise matters. Short walks multiple times a day keep them fit and reduce anxiety. Mental stimulation is equally important. Use puzzle toys or training games to challenge their minds. Grooming is critical. Small dogs often have sensitive skin. Brush weekly, trim nails regularly, and bathe only when needed to protect their skin barrier. Dental care is essential. Small breeds are prone to plaque and gum disease. Brush teeth regularly and provide safe toys. Finally, provide emotional attention. Small dogs bond closely with their owners and may develop anxiety if ignored. Gentle praise, calm touch, and structured routines make them confident and happy.